Hi, today we are talking about 5 middle-class money traps that you should avoid and save your money on. Before we start, like and subscribe to our channel. Also, turn on the notifications so you don't miss more videos like this. Well, if you're ready for this topic, let's start. Here is a list of 5 middle-class money traps to avoid. Trap number 1. Not tracking food spending. Part of budgeting means monitoring your spending closely to help you determine how much of your consumption is truly essential and where you may need to trim the fat. For instance, according to some estimates, an average family of 4 wastes $1,350 to $2,275 on food each year. Reducing consumption to eliminate that waste could result in significant savings. You can also take a look at how much your family spends on going out to dinner. A great way to cut food spending is by reducing the frequency of eating out, including lunches. Are you and your family packing lunch each day? Adjusting your consumption in these ways can help you avoid overspending or wasting money on food. Trap number 2. Delaying saving for retirement. It's easy to put off saving for retirement when you're in your 20s. It seems far off, and making a day-to-day budget work may be challenging when you're starting a career. Soon enough, you reach your 30s, and your priorities may shift to saving for a house or paying for childcare. Still, not an easy time to save for retirement. The fact is, it may never be easy, but it will always be necessary. And yet, a quarter of American families don't have any retirement accounts at all. As soon as you start a new job, sign up for your employer's 401k plan. If your employer doesn't offer a 401k, set up an individual retirement account and automate your monthly deposits. If you don't get used to having extra money in your paycheck, you won't miss it when it automatically goes into your retirement savings. Growing your savings at an accelerated rate over time, that's the power of compounding. Trap number 3. Not accounting for the ballooning costs of healthcare. The cost of healthcare is one of the biggest financial burdens for many families. 3 years ago, the maximum out-of-pocket expense for healthcare was around $8,800 a year. Today, that price is now a staggering $21,500, an increase of more than 144%. And while the costs associated with healthcare have increased, incomes have remained flat, according to a study from Pew Charitable Trusts. This creates even more pressure on your budget. Because of the increase in healthcare, emergency fund savings have to be a major priority in our financial plans. The general recommendation for young adults was to strive for saving $1,000 in emergency funds. The next milepost was 3 to 6 months of expenses, job loss, unexpected home repairs, vehicle issues, and the like are all emergencies, with the main one of the group being a job loss. Therefore, saving seems necessary, right? Trap number 4. Putting themselves under unnecessary financial strain. When too much of your income ends up going toward maintaining a lifestyle, whether it's eating out often or owning a home you can't afford, there isn't enough left over to make provisions for the future. Your goal should be to have as little debt as possible, rather than dealing with as much debt as you can while still being able to handle the payments. Of course, sometimes you don't have complete control over your spending. Any number of obstacles or unexpected events can keep families from creating an emergency fund or saving for retirement. So, what do you do if your family is already experiencing financial stress? It's important to try not to tackle everything at once. And remember this: no matter what your family's current financial situation is, it's important to remember that just because you have the option to buy or spend on something, that does not necessarily mean it's a good idea. Trap number 5. Playing the lottery. Everyone dreams about becoming a millionaire overnight, but instead of putting in the work, people would rather pay for a chance to win big in the lottery. Sure, a $10 scratch card is a small price to pay when there are 10 zeros on the line, but the odds of you winning the lottery are slim to none. Instead of spending your hard-earned money on the super rare chance of winning more money, why not get on track to getting rich quickly, the right way? What do you say about our list? Do you agree with us? Share with us your opinion about this topic, because we would like to know it. There is a comment section below, so feel free and write there your comments. At the very end of the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the notification button so you don't miss the next video. That's it for today, guys. Have a nice day and see you soon again.